Would you like to get and stay lean and eat dessert too? Well then stay tuned for this video where I share with you my desserts to lose weight, my low-carb orange cardamom muffin recipe. Now these muffins are sugar-free, grain-free, paleo and keto friendly, as well as bikini body friendly. So I hope you enjoy the video. So in terms of ingredients, we are going to be using almond flour, eggs, fresh orange juice, orange zest. Instead of baking powder, we're going to be using a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and lemon juice, erythritol as our sweetener, which is an alcohol sugar, cardamom, coconut oil, pink Himalayan sea salt, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of organic orange flavoring. And then we're going to make a creamy glaze out of coconut butter, erythritol, and coconut oil. So first things first, we're just gonna put all of our dry ingredients into a bowl and mix them together. So our almond flour, our erythritol, our cardamom powder, our sea salt, and then we're just going to stir to combine. Now we just want to place our dry ingredients to the side. Now in another bowl, we want to mix all of our wet ingredients together. So our orange juice, our eggs, which we want to make sure are room temperature. This is really important with keto baking. So 3 eggs, and all of the measurements and ingredients are going to be in the description box below. Our orange zest, our lemon juice and baking soda, our coconut oil, and then I'm gonna add about a 1/2 teaspoon of the organic orange flavoring. This is optional, but I find with the organic flavorings, it just gives it a really, a bit of a stronger orange flavor. And mix it up. Now we want to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients and stir to combine. Now we want to take a lined muffin tin, or you can just oil the muffin tin, and spoon our muffin batter into the muffin tins. If you have a better technique for doing this, please let me know. And do you have a favorite keto or paleo muffin recipe? Let me know in the comments below. Or just drop a comment below and let me know your name and where you're from. I would love to hear from you. All right, so I'm just gonna try and even out the tops of these muffins a little bit. All right, so now we're going to place these in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. Just check them at 20 minutes, and yeah, we'll see how they turn out.
20 minutes later.
All right, so now that our muffins are ready, they smell delicious. We want to move them onto a cooling rack and allow them to cool. We want to allow them to cool before we start putting the glaze on them.
Later that same evening.
So now our cardamom orange muffins have cooled off. So now I'm just going to sprinkle, or drizzle, I should say, the coconut butter frosting on top. All right, so here's the finished product. Let's give it a taste. Wow, these don't even taste healthy. They taste like they're full of sugar. And hey, if I can eat these and keep my abs, sounds good to me. So thank you so much for watching. In this video, I shared with you desserts to lose weight, my low carb orange cardamom muffins. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. I love you guys, and in the next video, I'm going to be sharing another desserts to lose weight recipe, so make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post that. Have an amazing day. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here, and also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.